Today we are in one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Windsor, and it is our pleasure to introduce you to 1376 Lakeview Ave. I'm Ruth Ann Osborne.
This is Just Singh.
And we're with RE/MAX Preferred.
We're closer to the Ganache Trail and the Blue Heron Park, and minutes away from East Riverside Expressway and other amenities.
This home consists of 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. All of the bedrooms in this 2-story home are located on one floor, which is absolutely perfect for a large family. This house also has an amazing updated kitchen that was just done in 2025. And with its open concept living room, dining room, kitchen area, it's a great space for your whole entire family.
Backyard features a large patio for friends and family to get together and for kids to have fun. It's really a place of zen to get together with your friends and family on a day like this.
We hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful family home.
And don't forget about the unfinished basement with roughed-in plumbing for added value when your family grows.
For more information or to schedule your own personal viewing on this beautiful home, you can give me, Ruth Ann Osborne, a call.
Or Just Singh.
Or call our RE/MAX Preferred office, and any of our amazing agents can help you.